Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Isn't pizza a favorite meal for most of us? And interestingly, it's very easy to make too. So this is how I made pizza at home. To make one medium and one large pizza, 2 teaspoons of yeast are mixed with 1/4 cup of warm water and 1.5 teaspoons of sugar and mixed gently and kept for proofing for about 10 minutes. If the yeast is good, it forms frothy layer on the top on proofing. So now the preparation of the pizza base is started by adding 3 cups of 200 ml each all-purpose flour in batches and mixing well until it forms a sticky dough. Not to forget to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, the dough is kneaded well for at least 10 minutes and then transferred into the bowl, applying a teaspoon of olive oil. The dough is then rested for about 2 hours by keeping it airtight. After 2 hours, the dough seems to be double in size. It is then divided into 3 balls and each ball is flattened first with the help of a rolling pin. And then making small impressions with a fork. Next, the pizza sauce is spread over the base. And shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese are also layered over the base. Since it's a veg pizza, some capsicum and olives and onion pieces are also layered. For a great flavor, oregano powder and basil powder are sprinkled, followed by some red chili flakes. And more cheese is also added if preferred. It's then baked in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. The time and temperature depends upon the oven. So here comes the yummy and soft veg pizza, which can be enjoyed with any sauce or even just like that. The pizza stayed soft throughout the day. Hope you too will try this recipe and like the video. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.